Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here on Anique Budgets. On here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off debt and minding our business, and not necessarily in those 4 orders, baby, okay? But if you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button and liking this video, and also leave your 2 cents, which is your comments, down in the comment box. But if you are not new here, baby, welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. So as you guys can see in this video, we are going to be doing my paycheck number 3 cash budget. I almost said cash stuffing, y'all, but it's the budget, because tomorrow we're doing the cash stuffing, so come back. But we're going to be doing the budget for our 15 paycheck, and baby, we're going to get into it because it's a whole what? Tea and a whole kiki, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so we are up close and personal on this budget. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write over our carryover. So for carryover, we did carry over $530.67. That is how much we're carrying over from the last budget that we did. And my paycheck today is $540. Where's my, oh, it's right here. I was like, where's my calculator? But it's right here. Okay, so 530.67. Ooh, girl. 53,000. We gonna get there one day. 540. So this is $1,070.67. So 1070.67. Okay, and that is what we're going to be working with for the budget overall. So my budget that I actually have, so my Lowe's is $41 a month, and it is due on the 1st, but it's coming out on this paycheck. I can't remember if I paid it already on the 1st, but it's due the 1st of every month, so I like to pay it like mid-month so it goes towards the next paycheck, because it's weird how it is, but when I do it on the 15th paycheck, it just works out. So that's what I do. Merrick is my dad in Jamaica, and he's getting $100. Y'all, you see how this pen is writing? I got this pen off of Temu. My best friend saw it, and she was like, oh, can you get me that? And I was like, yeah, sure, girl. And so it came in the mail, and it's a pack of 5, and she was like, do you want one? And I was like, yeah, sure. And so I got this pink one, and it's so cute, and it writes so beautiful. I love it. Okay, ADT security, I believe, is $53.91. You know, these bills be billing, child, and they ain't really changed that much. It is, but you know, sometimes you gotta confirm. So $53.91 is for my ADT security. My Apple Care is $8.55. My electricity, I always budget $180, especially now during Christmas season. Like, that seems so like what it's gonna be. So $180 is for that. Apple One is $24.41. And then my water, I always budget $120 because that is what I will use to see how much water we use this month. So all of those, 100 plus 53.91 plus 8.55 plus 180 plus 24.41, that's 120. So that is $527.87. $527.87. Now, if you don't know, or if this is your first time here watching my videos of how I do my budget, everything that's under expenses comes out of my carryover bills account. That's what the BA is for. My carryover bills account. So this $527.87 is coming solely out of this $530.67. So get into it, baby. Right? So now we're going to we're going to move down to the rest of the envelope, or the rest of the budget. And so since expenses only comes out of the carryover, that means the paycheck for me pays for everything else in the budget. So we're going to move down to my cash envelopes, because that is next. So I am going out of town for the next 10 days, I want to say 10 to 12 days. And from those 10 to 12 days, basically I won't be needing any food. So I won't have, but I do come back though, and I'll be here for a minute though. So here's what I'll do. I will add $30 to groceries, because I do come back for like 5 days out of the month, and I do need to eat them 5 days, y'all. So I would add $30 to groceries so I can buy stuff for that. I will put nothing in gas because I'm just not going to be here. I'll put nothing in allowance because I'm going to be traveling basically the entire time from the moment I get my paycheck to coming back. And I literally yesterday filled up my gas tank, so it's basically not going to be used. I'm not going to put anything in toiletries, nothing in household, and don't want to put anything in hair care. No, I'm not putting anything in hair care. I will have another appointment in about a month, because I do have an appointment today because I got to get my hair done because I'm going out of town. Anybody got time to be, you know, worried about it and thinking about it and doing this. So, yeah, so the only thing that's going in cash envelopes total is $30, and that's for my groceries, simply because we know baby needs, she's not going to be in town majority of these times, and most of these things are not going to be used. And I do have some in my cash envelopes, which y'all, I really just checked like an hour ago. So yeah, for saving challenges, I'm going to do the minimum that I can put in it, because I do want to put more towards my sinking fund stuff and additional debt. So for me, the minimum payment that I can put into my saving challenges is $70, because that's a contribution to my 10 of a kind saving challenge, and also towards my 100 envelope. So I'm still, yeah, you know, doing that. I'm still gonna put money into that, so that's all good. Next is my sinking funds, which let's just do it. So nothing is going in Christmas. Clothing is nothing. My birthday, I'm gonna put $5 because I'm just gonna do that. My fam's birthday is gonna get $5 too, because I do have my dad's birthday in January and my best friend's birthday in January, so I'm gonna do both of those. So my birthday and family birthday is those two. Is gonna get $5. And then I'm gonna put a pause on sinking funds real quick. So 2 credit cards I have to pay on. So I have to pay on my Lowe's credit card here. Actually, no, we'll leave it. And I gotta put on my Navy Federal. This is what's supposed to be on here. So on my Lowe's right now, so let's see. So this is $5.40, and the $5.40, like I say, is from my paycheck, which pays for everything else other than my expenses, because I already have that money. And then we have $30 in groceries. We have $70 in saving challenges. So we have $440 to work with. My Lowe's. My minimum payment is $41, and I do have a balance on there for $118. So 18 minus 41 is 77. So I do want to put about $77 towards my Lowe's. And then let me look real quick. I'm literally about to sign into my app, into my bank account app. Because that's how you do budgeting. You know, you can do it where you can just do whatever you want to do on here, or you can do it my way, where you go into your bank account and you see what exactly is on there and what exactly you want to do. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to my bank account, see exactly what is on there and what I want to pay. So what I'm looking at, right, is I'm looking at what is my normal interest that I pay on my credit card, and what is the current balance on my credit card, and like what amount based on those two numbers do I want to do. So the last amount of interest I got charged on my credit card was $117.25. So I'm gonna do $118, and then I am going to subtract from that $118, well, not subtract, on that $118, I'm also gonna add $110 All right, plus 100 and, well, I'm gonna do 107.99, which is what is like the balance over 8,000 on my credit card. And so that came up to 225.99, and then I'm gonna plus $4.01. So I'm gonna put 230 towards my credit card. So this is what, 230 towards my Navy Federal credit card. And so yeah, and so what is 277? 230 plus $77 is $307. So I'm gonna do 307. So that's what's gonna be going here. So I had $440 after I did my, oh my god, I don't know if I showed you guys, but here's my saving challenge under the additional savings, and that's $70 there for the total. But between my cash envelopes and my saving challenges, that's $100. So now I have $440 to use, and then from that $440 that I had, I'm gonna subtract this $307, which is gonna leave me with $133 to work with. So from that $133, I'm putting $5 to my birthday, $5 to family birthday, 1 month ahead, 1 month ahead. Let me, y'all, I don't normally do this, but let me look and see how much is in travel real quick. I'm gonna pull out the binder and see how much is in travel real quick, because I don't have to pay for it. Let me not say I don't have to pay for a lot of stuff. Let's see, there is $249 right now in travel. So let's do let's do 10 for car maintenance. Says $10, right? So that seems good. It's not a lot, but it's something towards it. For the emergency fund, what I'm trying to do is maximize the amount that's going to travel, because basically that's the only fund that I will be using while I'm out of town for like majority of being out of town. So what I want to do is put as much money into there, so you know, I don't have to use my credit card and stuff like that. So that's literally what I'm trying to do. Let's see. Car maintenance got $10. What do I want to put in 1 month ahead? What do I want to put in emergency fund? So with the car maintenance subtracted, I have $113 to work with. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put $20 in emergency fund, right? And then I'm gonna put 13 in 1 month ahead, and I'm gonna put the other 80 in travel. Right? That seems fair, right? Because again, travel won't be getting filled like this, but because I'm going out of town, like, you know. So this is 10 plus 80 plus 5 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 equals 133. That's 133. Okay. So now we're going to come down to the category right here, and we are going to do income is $1,070.67. The expenses is $527.87. My cash envelopes is $30, which is the first time it's ever been this low. That's crazy. My additional savings is $70. My sinking funds is $133. That looks like $133, and then my additional debt is $307. So when you do the 1070.67 minus 527.87 minus $30 minus $70 minus 133 minus 307, that equals a remainder of $2.80, which is what normally is left over from my budget, or what the budget is expected to leave over. So do I put the, I do, I'm supposed to put another one. I usually put two. So carry over is $2.80. 200. So I usually put the carryover of what this is in here, and then I put the carryover when I do my actual budget review so that we can see the difference. But carryover is $2.80, and that, y'all, is basically my budget of how I'm gonna spend the money that I just received in my bank account. Okay, so and this is your first time budgeting, or you've never seen someone budget or don't know how to budget, this is how I do it and how I think about it. I keep my expenses in a separate bank account so that I won't mix up my fund money, which my fund money to me is what I use to fill my cash envelopes, additional savings, sinking funds, additional debt, and this random that I have. So that's what I use my fund money for in my head. So, and you can think about it different, but that works for me because I don't have to think about these. They just get paid, and then everything else I have a free flow to deal with, you know. So that is basically it for my cash envelope budget for my 15 paycheck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, if you enjoyed the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave your 2 cents, which is your comments, down in the comment box below, because we would love to hear how you do your budget and how is your Christmas going. How's your Christmas spending going? That's the real tea, okay? Because that's honestly why Christmas don't be getting funded, because baby, you know what you did. You know what you did. So that's really the real tea of it all. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Like, this is day 15. I know day 14. She came out late, child. She came out like 9, 10 o'clock. But what I said was that I lied to y'all. I said some of these videos will come out late, but the goal is 6:13. So that is the goal for the videos. But I did promise myself, regardless of whatever time that it is, I will post a video every day up until the 25th, because what I want to prove to myself is that I can be consistent doing this, and I just want to prove to myself that I can do it at the same time. So that's why I make a video. I'm making this 25, I'm doing these 25 days of Christmas, child. Because baby, sometimes I'm like, girl, come on, but you got to push past the, you know, the doubt or the telling yourself no, don't do it, or you don't have to do this video today. No, girl, edit that video and post it, because you said you was gonna do it, so do it. So this is also character building. Vlogmas is not just about the videos and posting them, it's also character building for me, which is crazy because I never thought of it like that, but it's character building. And wow, that's great. Shout out to Vlogmas for, like, even if you don't like have plans for stuff, like you have plans for stuff, it molds you in a way. So that's it, guys. I am going to go now. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Well, I'll see you tomorrow for the cash envelope stuffing, because baby, we gotta stuff this money, okay? All right, so all right, bye guys, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.